We're on Gordon's property today. He used to do a lot of trials riding back in Canada, laid out some international courses even, so he's here to give us a few tips. So this is Claire's 5th ride on the Gas 125. We're just starting with some nice easy stuff through this rocky bed, then we'll tighten it up for us trials noobs. You better make it look good, Gordon. And you better look after my bike.
Claire's doing really well. She's already improved by going a couple of kilometers an hour quicker, which helps a lot. She's learning to stay forward and keep your legs out a little bit, which is the big secret to trials. That's simple. Keep your weight forward, you have your steering. You keep your legs out so that when you hit rocks, the bike bounces without you having to put your foot down. It's quite simple.
Yeah.
Very hard to learn. It's very simple, the concept. The front end is very simple. You simply off-center your bike and then straighten it. Off-center your bike and straighten it. It's very simple. Your weight movement, you just move it over a little bit, you sit back a little bit with the back brake on, that lifts the front end, you set it back down centered. Off-center again, set it back centered. It's a very simple thing to do, and with a little practice, anybody, even Barry, can do it.
Simple.
Even me. Not bad for a 59-year-old. How do you think it's going?
I think I'm improving. Just pick up a bit of speed. Still tiring though. Performing.